Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken noodle soup in a microwave. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of cooked chicken, 1/2 cup of egg noodles, 2 cups of chicken broth, and 1/4 cup of mixed vegetables. Also, grab a large microwave-safe bowl. Make sure your chicken is already cooked and cut into small, bite-sized pieces, ready to be added to your delicious soup. Now, let's start cooking. Pour your 2 cups of chicken broth into your microwave-safe bowl. Add the 1/2 cup of uncooked egg noodles. Place the bowl in the microwave and cook on high for about 3 to 5 minutes. This will allow the noodles to soften. Remember to pause halfway through and give it a good stir to ensure even cooking and prevent the noodles from clumping together. With the noodles softened, it is time to add the remaining ingredients. Carefully remove the hot bowl from the microwave, using oven mitts to protect your hands. Stir in your 1 cup of pre-cooked chicken and the 1/4 cup of mixed vegetables. Give everything a good mix. Then, return the bowl to the microwave for another 1 to 2 minutes to ensure all ingredients are heated through. Your delicious microwave chicken noodle soup is almost ready. Now is the perfect time to season it to your liking. Add a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and perhaps some dried parsley or a sprinkle of garlic powder. Give it a final stir. Let the soup stand for about 1 minute to cool slightly before serving. Enjoy your quick and comforting homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.